Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Dear students, today we are going to start with your new lesson, lesson number 4, Moon, Earth's natural satellite. But in this chapter, what are we people going to learn? We are going to learn about the surface of the moon. We are going to learn that there is no life on the moon. We are going to learn about the phases of moon, and we are also going to identify the different artificial satellites. Dear students, do you know that Earth has its natural satellite, and its natural satellite is moon? See, in the previous grade, we have learned about the planets. Now we are going to study about moon and its other artificial satellites. Most of this section might be clear to you from the yesterday's video, but still let's get started. Moon revolves around the earth. It is the earth's natural satellite. It is the closest neighbor to the earth in space. And a satellite is an object which revolves around a planet. Do remember what is a satellite? Satellite is an object that revolves around a planet. And our moon revolves around the earth. So that's why it is Earth's own natural satellite. Now, dear students, did this ever come to your mind कि moon shine कैसे करता है? Why do we have a bright light of the moon in the night sky? Yes, when there is a full moon in the sky, dear, it appears brightest in the night sky. It does not have its own light. फिर भी ये shine करता है. Do you know how? It reflects the light of the sun. It shines only due to the light of the sun. It appears as the same size of a sun because it is far away from the earth. लेकिन इसका जो size होता है, it's much smaller than sun. Moon is about 3,84,800 kilometers away from the earth. So from this topic, what did you learn? You learned that moon shines, but it shines with the light of the sun. Now, bache, do you think that there is a life on moon? No, there is no life on moon. Earth is surrounded by a layer of air जिसको हम एटमॉस्फेयर बोलते हैं. This layer protects us from heat and harmful radiations coming from the sun, like ozone layer, isn't it? Right? So this layer also protects us from the meteors. आपको पता है बहुत सारे meteors होते हैं और meteors कई बार अगर अर्थ को अटैक करते हैं ना, जैसे कि it is a prediction this year, it can be really harmful. It can destroy the life. So बच्चे ये जो meteors हैं कई बार ये moon को अटैक करते हैं. So that's why जब हम लोग देखते हैं ना तो there is some patches on moon. These patches on moon is particularly known as the craters. ये बहुत डीप पिचेस हैं मून के ऊपर जो कि हमारे को स्मॉल स्मॉल पैचेस की तरह दिखते हैं. दिस इज ओनली ड्यू टू दिस मीटियोर्स. लेट्स सी टू इट. बच्चे यू शुड बी रिमेंबरिंग देयर इज नो एयर ऑन मून. देयर इज़ नो लाइफ ऑन इट ऑल्सो बिकॉज अगर एयर ही नहीं होगी तो ऑक्सीजन नहीं होगा तो हम लोग वहाँ पर जाकर कैसे लिव कर सकते हैं? वी कैन नॉट. No air means there is no atmosphere on the moon. Because there is no atmosphere on the moon, protection from meteors is not possible. Therefore, the side of the moon which faces the sun is extremely hot and other side is too cold to support a life. Right? So moon की दोनों sides, एक side sun को face कर रही है और दूसरी side is really cold. तो जहाँ पर इतना कोल्ड है बच्चे इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सपोर्ट लाइफ और जहाँ पर इट इज़ वेरी हॉट हाउ कैन यू गो एंड लिव देयर. So we require air as a medium to hear anything, but we cannot hear on moon because of the absence of air. Moon's gravity is 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. In yesterday's video, you might have seen it that you weigh 1/6 on the moon. अगर आपका वेट अभी अर्थ के ऊपर 30 kgs है तो मून के ऊपर आपका वेट कितना kgs होगा? 5 kgs. You weigh 1/6 on the moon. I hope, isn't it interesting? Now you should be knowing the age of moon. The age of moon is around 4,500 million years. How many million years, students? 4,500 million years. Do remember this. Now let's talk about the surface of moon. What do you think? Is the surface smooth? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको बताया था वहाँ पर बिग बिग क्रेटर्स होते हैं. Do you know what are the craters? They are the deep pitches on the moon. And ये pitches कहाँ से आए? Due to the meteor shower. जब meteoroids strike करते हैं moon के साथ तो ये deep pitches बन जाते हैं जिससे कि जो moon का surface है वो बिल्कुल भी neat नहीं है. Surface is not plain. It is a rough surface. So the surface of moon is quite rough. Large holes are present on the surface of moon which are called craters. And these holes are larger than the holes present on our roads. Imagine. So these craters are formed when large meteoroids strike on the surface of the moon. Remember, no gravity on the moon, and the soil of a moon is dark grey in color. Bache, did you ever think how do you walk on the moon then? Yes, it is a moonwalk. You jump and then you walk on the moon. We'll see it ahead. Now let's see the landing on moon. You know, the first spacecraft that landed on the moon was Apollo 11. It was Apollo 11 mission when Neil Armstrong became the first person to land on the moon on 21st July 1969. आपको पता है, along with Neil Armstrong, 2 more astronauts were there, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong was the first human who landed on moon. His words were, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for the mankind." मतलब मैन ने तो एक छोटा सा स्टेप लिया मून के ऊपर, लेकिन इट इज गोइंग टू बी रिमेंबर्ड बाय द होल मैनकाइंड, राइट? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, Edwin Aldrin was the second man who stepped on moon, and Michael Collins remained in the spacecraft to ensure they were connected with the earth. You know, even India's astronaut also landed on the moon, and his name is Rakesh Sharma. Now, dear students, let me take you all to the journey of a moon. You know, it is a satellite that orbits around the earth. Let's grab on and let's head the way towards the journey of the moon. I know it's going to be very, very interesting. See, it is the only natural satellite that belongs to Earth. We always see the same side of a moon because it takes the same amount of time to rotate around the Earth. You know, on the moon, there are many craters. And why are these craters? Only because of the meteors. Now let's go and have it to the moon and let's see its surface very closely. See, life has never been found here. Why? There is no gravity on the moon. And you know that moon is also the reason behind some tides, right? On the moon, you know, we can find some minerals, and these minerals can provide us some oxygen. The moon is the only place outside the earth that man has visited, but not now. Now Mars is also there, isn't it? But stepped on the moon, you know. And this mission was Apollo 11. You know it. What is the distance? 3,84,400 kilometers from Earth. Isn't it interesting? And we had actually studied about it earlier. Now, dear students, due to this less gravity, you weigh less on the moon. And you're not able to walk like you walk on Earth. You're going to do the moonwalk. And moonwalk means jumping on the moon. We float on the moon, right?